Hey, what's up, everybody? It's T-Page here. Today I'm talking about the Sony A6700, a camera I had for about a month now. I took it to the park to see how it handles in some natural conditions. Got a few shots to show you, and I'm really happy with the results. So let's jump into why the A6700 is a solid choice if you're thinking about upgrading. So when I took the camera out to the park, it was a warm day, kind of overcast, and you can see how the A6700 handled the softer light. The dynamic range is solid. Everything stayed sharp and vibrant without looking overly edited. I did have to get used to the exposure settings, but once I got that dialed in, I was all set. Coming from a GoPro 8 and an iPhone 14, it did take a minute to adjust. But honestly, after a few sessions, it felt natural. The layout was easy to navigate, and now I could change my settings pretty fast. Plus, the camera is portable enough to take everywhere, but powerful enough for pro level results. This camera's autofocus is next level. I do a lot of portrait photography, and the real-time eye autofocus is super reliable. Even with slight movements, it kept everything sharp. You can see in this shot, everything's crisp. I didn't have to refocus constantly. When it comes to video, the 10-bit color and the 4K 120 frames per second are game changers. I'm big on live streaming and making short films, and this camera makes that so much easier. The 120 frames per second let me slow things down while keeping everything smooth and clear. And the 10-bit color gives you so much more flexibility when you editing. I was surprised at how little editing these shots needed. The 10-bit color really holds up straight out the camera, so I didn't spend much time in post-production. Just a few tweaks here and there, and they were good to go. And I know a lot of you might be wondering why the A6700 over something like the ZV-E10 or the A6100. Well, the ZV-E10 is great for vloggers, but the A6700 has more advanced autofocus and 4K 120 frames per second. The A6100 is solid, but the A6700 gives you more flexibility for both photos and videos. So there you have it. The A6700 have become my go-to camera for everything, from portraits to live streams to short films. It's powerful, portable, and delivers quality results every time. And if you think about upgrading, just go for it. You won't regret it. Alright, that's gonna wrap this up. Y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll give y'all more updates. Peace.